What is my feeds feature at BlueSky app? So if you go to BlueSky, now there is a My Feeds tab. And then, yeah, there you have it. So now you can go and in the top right, you can edit your feeds. So this is kind of like a new trending feature. And feeds are custom algorithms that users build with a little coding expertise. And then you can just see this guide for more information. So the idea is that you kind of select your own algorithm in the app. It's pretty cool idea. So by default, I have these two pinned feeds. I can select like What's Hot and What's Hot Classic by BlueSky app. And then also I can select BlueSky team and then post from members of BlueSky team, I guess. Then you can also remove it from your feeds. Popular with friends. So yeah, these are kind of different algorithms. And this is basically just a GitHub repository based on AT protocol. And as these are services that provide custom algorithms to users through AT protocols. They work very simply. The server receives a request from user server and returns a list of post URIs, with some optional metadata attached. Those posts are then hydrated in full use by the requesting server and sent back to the client. This route is described in the app BlueSky feed get feed skeleton lexicon. A feed generator service can host one or more algorithms. The service itself is identified DID, while each algorithm that is declared by a record in the wrap of the account that created it. The general flow of providing a custom algorithm to a user is as follows. A user requests a feed from their server. You can just see that. And then you need to do two things. We have set up a So implement indexing logic in source subscription TypeScript. This will subscribe to the repo subscription stream on startup, parse events and index them according to your provided logic. Implement feed generation logic in Algos. And then you can just publish your feed, go to the script that scripts and fill in the variables at the top. Examples are included and some are optional. And then you can install dependencies and then just run the server with yarn start. This will start the server and then yeah. And then basically you can just basically run your own algorithm. Yeah, so kind of pretty cool. Of course, you need to have some coding experience, but I guess yeah, you can just start this repository and then yeah, try it out yourself. So pretty cool idea. Check it out.